Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you get this 10 billion assault rifle skin in Rivals. By the way, this is not with Robux or anything, it's just you have to follow the developers and then verify. Anyways, as you could see, I have it right now and it's with a wrap. With this wrap it looks cooler, the wrap is named Storm. Anyway. Let me just leave the shooting range anyway. So, as I said, first you have to follow the developers. I had to follow them only on Roblox. And I just have to join the group also. But for you, maybe it will say Discord, X and stuff. And then you have to click on verify. And then you could redeem any code. Now, enter this code. Then, underscore billion underscore visits underscore OMG. As you see, I already redeemed it. Whoops, failed to redeem code already used. And then you will get this skin for the assault rifle. Now let me go around with someone with the assault rifle. Okay, now what are they doing? Leaving because I'm level 130? Bruh. Did he just throw a snowball at me? Nah, throw back. Boom, 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 boom. That's what he gets. Anyway, let me go in on 1v1. Real quick. Bruh. Why did it teleport off if there's not enough players? For no reason. I think the game just decided to be stupid. Guys, it's annoying when it does that. I understand it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because I don't want to say the number. Actually, no, dogs. That's light work. Maybe, just maybe. If I had the warfare right now. But I don't. But I could still do something about it. No. And it's better than the normal one. No. Jump, 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 jumpini spiderini, jumpini spiderini. See guys, how this weapon is good for 1v1s. I mean, I know the guy isn't moving, but still, you have better aim. He disconnected. Bro, I think it was either his internet or he just rage quit. Wait a minute, is this for the... Oh, it's for the gunblade. Anyway guys, see you next vlog. Bye.